Introduction to Ethical Hacking.
This is the authorized practice of testing computer systems to identify and fix security vulnerabilities. Unlike malicious hackers, ethical hackers help organizations protect their digital assets. If you're curious about technology and passionate about cybersecurity, this career path offers meaningful work and growing opportunities. Let's explore the essential skills and certifications to help you get started as an ethical hacker.
Building your technical foundation.
Start by developing a solid understanding of computer networks, operating systems, and common security protocols. Basic programming skills in languages such as Python or JavaScript are valuable for automating tasks and analyzing weaknesses. Familiarity with Windows and Linux systems is crucial, since ethical hackers often test both environments. Free online resources, tutorials, and beginner courses can help you build these essential technical foundations.
Essential skills for ethical hackers.
Beyond technical know-how, ethical hackers need strong problem-solving skills, curiosity, and attention to detail. Understanding how attackers think helps you anticipate and prevent security breaches. Learn about common threats like malware, phishing, and social engineering. Practicing with virtual labs and participating in Capture the Flag competitions can sharpen your hands-on hacking skills in a legal, safe environment.
Key certifications for beginners.
Certifications can validate your knowledge and boost your credibility. For beginners, CompTIA Security Plus is a popular first step, covering core cybersecurity concepts. Next, the Certified Ethical Hacker (CEH) credential focuses specifically on ethical hacking methods and tools. Many start with Security Plus before pursuing CEH. These certifications are globally recognized by employers seeking entry-level ethical hackers.
Gaining practical experience.
Hands-on experience is vital. Set up your own lab environment using virtual machines or try legal hacking platforms like Hack the Box. Participate in cybersecurity competitions and open-source security projects. Many aspiring ethical hackers also volunteer to test and improve small business or nonprofit websites. Sharing your learning journey on platforms like LinkedIn can also help you build a professional network.
Next steps in your ethical hacking career.
Continue learning as cybersecurity is always evolving. Explore advanced topics like penetration testing, wireless security, and cloud security. Join cybersecurity communities, attend industry events, and keep earning new certifications as your skills grow. With dedication and ethical responsibility, you can build an exciting career protecting the digital world from cyber threats.